you all? Fine.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Now it's 10 o'clock. Everybody has joined? Yes. Many less number of students are there. Many are left still. Any guesses what we are going to do today? What we will do, anyone can guess? Nobody. Alicia, you want to say something? Shresh, you want to say? Speak.
Ma'am, new chapter.
New chapter. Okay. Anybody else can guess? Anna has also written next chapter. Sherwin has also written new chapter. No. First of all, we will continue with the same chapter. I want you people to read out one by one. We haven't done reading now. So randomly I can ask anyone to read out. Everybody has to pay attention. Okay? Yes, Dhruv, you are showing something? Dhruv, you were showing something?
Ma'am, I have the book.
Okay. Wow, nice. Mostly students have purchased now. Hardik, I have seen. Okay. But the front cover is a little change. See my front cover. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
My front cover is like this. But I guess it's seen from inside.
Ma'am, the chapters are same.
Yes, chapters are same. Okay, so I hope Arush, beta, sit straight. Are you not well, Arush?
Ma'am, I am well.
What?
Ma'am, I am well.
You are well. Okay, then sit straight. Sit smartly. Arnav, let me check everyone once. Fine. So now I am going to share my screen, and there I will display the chapter 4, the little fir tree. Okay. So one by one you have to read out, and I can ask anyone to read. You have to take care whether where the other students are reading. Okay. Fine. Without wasting time, let me start. Okay, so Sujay, start reading. Very bad, you people. You have
The magician was returning home when all the sudden
Shashwat, just a minute. Let Sujay read, then I'll give you chance also. Okay.
Shetty the magician was returning home when all of a sudden it began to rain. It rained heavily. Shetty looked around for shelter and saw a pretty little fir tree. He ran towards it as fast as he could. Soon the rain stopped. Shetty was happy that he didn't get wet. मैम इसके आगे छुपा हुआ है.
Speak in English. How
मैम
many times I need to remind you? Ma'am, I can't see after
I
this.
can't see because it is hidden.
Yes, or you can say, ma'am, please change the screen, or you can say anything. But please speak in English.
Okay, ma'am.
Now read.
Thank you. You have been kind to me. I would like to reward you. Ask for 4 wishes, and I will grant them, said the magician.
Okay, Shashwat, you start from the beginning.
Shetty the magician was returning home when all of a sudden it began to rain. It rained heavily. Shetty looked around for shelter and saw a pretty little fir tree. He ran towards it as fast as he could. Soon the rain stopped. Shetty was happy that he did not get wet. Thank you. You have been kind to me. I would like to reward you. Ask for 4 wishes and I will grant them, said the magician.
Okay, finished. Now it's your turn. You have to read out from here now. Where they have left. You know where they have left?
Ma'am, yes.
Just a minute. I'm not. Start.
The sad fir tree had leaves like needles, and no birds ever made their nest on it. So it said, I wish I had green leaves like my other friends. Next morning, its wish was granted. Soon a goat came along and ate all the green leaf. Oh dear, said the tree. I wish I had gold leaves, as goats do not eat gold leaves. When the little fir tree woke up the next morning, it was surprised to see gold leaves. How happy I am, it said. A man came along and stole the gold leaf. I wish I had glass leaves. Instead,
Okay, stop once, Shresh. Fine, you have read nicely, but few things are there. Whenever we have full stop, comma, we have to take a pause. ठीक है, हमें एक बार वहाँ पे रुकना होता है. ठीक? Sridharya, now it's your turn. Start reading.
ma'am,
Sridharya, unmute yourself.
arrow birds ever
It's unmute now. Again unmute yourself. Check your microphone, Sridharya. Sridharya, unmute yourself. Acha, now read from the beginning. The sad fir tree. फिर से म्यूट हो गया श्रीधन्या. अपना माइक्रोफोन में चेक करो. एक रेड क्रॉस अगर आता है, that means you are mute. Okay? Unmute yourself, Sridharya. Yes, now read.
The sad fir tree had smell
nobody made their lives on it. So it said, I wish I had believed like my other friends. Next morning, its wish was granted. Soon a goat came along and ate all the green leaves. Oh dear, said the fir tree, I wish I had good leaves as goat. Do not eat good leaves. When the little fir tree woke up the next morning, it was surprised to see gold leaves. Now I am happy.
Okay, Sridhanya, your voice was not that much clear, but what I can make out from this is you have read nicely, okay? But due to network issues, your voice was not that much clear, okay? No problem. Let me give chance to others now. Let me see what they are doing. Aditya, which Aditya? Only Aditya. Yes, you. You have raised your hand also. Unmute yourself, Aditya. Ha. Now start reading from here. The sad fir tree.
The sad fir tree had leaves like needles and no buds.
Aditya, 1 minute. This is the sad fir tree. Okay. Now read.
The sad fir tree had leaves like needles and no birds ever made their nest on it. So it said, I wish I had green leaves like my other friends. Next morning, its wish was granted. Soon a goat came along and ate all the green leaves. Oh dear, said the fir tree. I wish I had gold leaves as goats. Don't not eat gold leaves. When the little fir tree
Woke
woke up the next morning, it was surprised to see gold leaves. How happy I am, it said. A man came along, stole the. Ma'am, please turn the next.
Okay, just a minute.
Gold leaves. I wish I had glass leaves instead. Men do not steal glass leaves. The next day, it's glass leaves.
Stop, Aditya. Fine. You have read nicely, but do remember this is fir tree. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, nice. Now, Arnav Gangwar.
Yes, ma'am.
Start reading from here again. Next morning.
Next morning.
Yes.
Next morning, it has granted so and a goat come and ate all the green leaves. Oh, dead side the fir tree. I wish I had gold leaves as goats. Do not eat gold leaves. When the little fir tree
Woke
wake up,
Woke. This is woke.
woke up the next morning. It was
Arav beta, wait, I will ask you also to read out. Everybody will get the chance. ठीक है?
Sprite, ego, leaves, happy, I am
I have seen your hand. Please wait.
and still leaves. I wish I had glass leaves instead. Men do not
You are reading from the book, Arnav?
Yes.
Okay, because it is hidden here. Fine. Arnav, beta, abhi you are reading very slowly, है ना? Which next morning you are reading? I am displaying on my screen. From there you have to start, okay? I hope you have started somewhere else. Can you see on my screen next morning on the top?
No, ma'am.
Wait, let me
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
spotlight here. Now can you see this red spotlight I'm doing?
Morning. It wish was granted soon. A goat came along and ate all the green leaves. Oh dear, said the fir tree.
Your video is paused, Rudransh.
To see gold leaves. How happy I am, it said. A man came along and stole the gold leaf. I wish I had glass leaves. Instead, men do not steal glass leaves.
Oh. Yes.
The tree went, oh dear, leaves. Instead, men do not steal glass leaves. The next day, glass leaves shone in the bright sun. The wind blew, hoo hoo.
Beta, wind.
All the glass leaves
At night, all the glass leaves broke. Okay, Rudransh, just few things. Like here, it's not wind, it's wind. And second thing, it was आपने SAID said था. It is said. Okay, I don't know why your video is paused. I hope you have heard, Rudransh. मैंने अभी जो बताया आपने सुना? You heard? Yeah. Okay, fine. So next, Arush, start reading from here. I wish
I had glass leaves. Instead, men do not steal glass leaves. The next day, its glass leaves shone in the bright sun. How happy I am, it said. At night, the wind blew. Ooh, all the glass leaves broke. Oh dear, said the fir tree. I like my own dinner like leaves, best for goats. Do not eat them, no man can steal them. The wind will do not do them no harm.
Okay.
The tree went to sleep. When it woke up the next morning, it had all its needle back again. Oh, I never was so happy.
Fine, fine. Okay. Very nice, Arush. Now, Prince Preet,
Yes, ma'am.
start reading. Where he has left, you know? कहाँ तक पढ़ा है उसने?
I don't know.
Very bad, Prince. I knew it. That is why I asked you to read. Very bad. You are taking rest here. Sit properly, Prince, first of all.
Ma'am, I am not well.
Acha, you are not well? Okay, no issues. I am asking you to read out from here next morning. Can you see?
Ma'am, where?
See this red spotlight? Can you see next morning on the top of the screen?
Yes, ma'am. Next, its wish was granted. Soon a goat came along, ate the all green leaves. Oh dear, said the fir tree. I wish I had gold leaves. Goats do not eat gold leaves. When the little fir tree woke up next morning, it was surprised to see the gold leaf. How happy I am, it said. A man came along and stole the gold leaves. I
Okay.
had a glass leaf instead. Man, do not steal glass leaves.
Okay, okay. Stop. Very nice, Prince. You have read very nice. Okay. So now we have Tripti, start reading. Tripti, am I audible? Tripti, am I audible? Your picture is not visible here. Fine, later on you can read. Okay. Arav Garg, start reading.
Ma'am, कहाँ से?
Very nice question, Arav. Very bad. Okay, you will read from the beginning.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
My voice is not clear, Arav. I said you will read from the beginning. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
So start reading from here, from the beginning. Can you see?
Magic was returning home when all of us to sudden it began to rain. It began to rain. It rained heavily. City looked around for shelter and say a pretty little fire tree. He ran towards the
And ran.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Arav, I am saying this is ran. Okay?
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Continue reading. Your voice is clear.
Ma'am की भी वर्ड नहीं आ रही मेरी. City done Magicum was returning home when all of a sudden it began to rain. It rained heavily. Street look around for shelter and say a pretty little fir tree toward it as fast as he could. Soon the rain stopped. मैम ये क्या लिखा है?
Where? Read out the spelling.
इस पहले नहीं, मुझे याद ही नहीं है।
Arif, I am asking you to read out the
SHETTY.
SHETTY. Shetty. Shetty is the name of the magician.
Shetty was happy that he did not get wet. Thank you. You have been kind to me. I would like to reward you. Ask for wishes and I will grant them, said the magician.
Arif, stop.
And your voice is not clear. Voice is not clear.
You have read nicely. I'm showing thumbs up. Okay. Few mistakes were there.
Chalo.
Okay, fine. No issues. If I'm not audible, no issues. Okay, Lavanya.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm telling you from where you have to read. Okay. Then I'll change the
Ma'am,
chapter.
ma'am, I have book.
Okay. Can you see my screen? Start from here. The sad fir tree.
Ma'am, the sad fir tree had leaves like needles, and no birds ever made their nests on it. So it said, I wish I had green leaves like my other friends. Next morning, its wish was granted. Soon a goat came along and ate all the green leaves. Oh dear, said the fir tree, I wish I had gold leaves, as goats do not eat gold leaves. When the little fir tree woke up the next morning, it was surprised to see gold leaves. How happy I am, it said.
Okay. Stop. Lavanya, stop. Fine. Very nice. You have read very nice. Now you can mute your microphone. Okay. Arav Agarwal, can you hear me? Arav, can you hear me? I don't know, he has gone. Okay. Till then, I'm asking others to read. Agam, start reading.
Returning home with all of us.
Abhi Rehan. Agam,
Yes, ma'am.
start reading.
It rained.
I wish I had
For
I had glass leaves
Use your
instead and not steel glass leaves. The next day, ma'am, the screen is not a table.
visible. Yes, just
Ma'am, screen is not a table.
okay. I'm making it visible. Just wait for a minute. Agam, now it's visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Now read out.
I wish I had glass leaf instead, man, do not steel glass leaves. The next day, its glass leaves shone in the bright sun. How happy I am! It said. At night, the wind blew whoop, all the glass leaves broke.
Yes. Start.
Oh dear, said the fir tree. I like my old needle-like leaves best, for goats do not eat them. No man can steal them.
Them, yes.
The wind will do them no harm.
Okay, stop. Very nice, Agam. You have read nicely. Fine. So now, to whom? Rehan, start reading from here. Oh dear.
Oh dear, said the fell tree, I look my old needly like leaf best, for goat do not eat them. No man can step there. The wind will do him no harm. The tree.
Just
the
wait for a minute. See, listen from the start. Dear, said the tree, like my own needle like leaf. हमने कुछ और read किया था needle को, ठीक है? This is needle. Needle like leaves, best, for goats do not eat them. No man can steal them. The wind will do them no harm. Okay? Few mistakes you have done. I hope now you are clear with them. Yes, continue.
The tree want to sleep when it woke up the next morning. It
Rehan, listen to me. I hope I am audible. This is W-E-N-T, went. Want nahi hai. See the difference, okay? The tree went to sleep. Okay? Now read.
sleep when it woke up in the next morning. It said all its neatly back again. Who
Mistakes, Rehan. Morning के बाद it had. Said नहीं है, ठीक है? Had all its needles back again. Needly नहीं है वो, ठीक है? Needles back again. यहाँ से फिर से read करो. The tree went to sleep.
the tree went to sleep when it woke up the next morning. It had all its neatly back again. I Neville was so happy, said I little Phil tree.
Poultry.
Poultry.
अच्छा, speak needles.
Needles.
हाँ, needly नहीं बोलेंगे आप, ठीक है? Needles back again. Okay, Rehan. Tomorrow again I'll ask you to read out. No mistake should be there. Okay, you have to keep the things in your mind. Okay. Arnav Gangbar, Sujay, Prince Preet. Vihan, start reading. Wait, I'm telling you from where you have to read. Unmute yourself. Okay.
Ma'am, I have the book.
Okay, you have the book. Fine. Let me change the chapter now.
Yes, ma'am.
Change the chapter now. What do you people
Yes,
think?
ma'am.
Let's read that Neha's alarm clock. That also we haven't written. We haven't read, है ना? Are you able to see my screen now?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I see in my book.
Wait, can you see Neha's alarm clock chapter?
Ma'am, in screen it is not visible.
Okay, then I'm sharing again. Wait. Arav, I gave you the chance. You were not here, I guess. एक minute, I'm sharing again, okay? Just wait for a second. Yes, Vihan, now it's visible. Although you have book, but to be others,
Yes,
it should. Now Neha's alarm clock is visible, है ना? Okay,
Yes,
so start reading.
Ring, ring, ring. Off goes the alarm clock at 6 in the morning. Neha makes a face and covering her ears with a pillow.
snuggle under a warm blanket. But she knows she has to get up. She muttered to herself. This alarm clock always ring at 6 and pull me out of the bed. It's so unfair. Oh, how I would love to sleep a little longer in the morning. I wish this clock would forget forget it job sometimes.
Stop, Rehan. Stop.
Yes.
Fine, you have read very nicely, and we will continue reading. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Abhi, like it's 10:36, but still one student can read. Arav, that time I asked you, you were not here, I guess. Now you are here. Arav Agarwal. And many are left today. Tomorrow again we will be having Arav Agarwal is not here even. Fine. So now Vardhan, can you hear me?
Not only
Vardhan,
no alarm clock, there are no birds either, but there is someone else who does not want her to miss the school bus. Can you guess who it is? The big bright sun. He fills Neha's room with a warm smile.
Vardhan, your video is not visible, beta.
Oh my eyes. Now it's the sun waking me up. Why can't he let me be? Even this wish of Neha comes true. Next morning, the sun is behind the clouds, so Neha snows till she hears her mother's voice. Wake up, sleepyhead. You will miss the bus. Oh no, why does mother have? There is no
I guess I'm
escape now.
fine. Okay, Anna. Read out Neha's alarm clock chapter from the next para. Let me show you. Wait. My screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now start from here. Something falls. Neha smiles. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Something falls. Neha smiles. Oh, my Neha. Oh, my clock has fallen. How happy I am. Tomorrow I can get a plate. Narrator. Next morning there is no alarm, so Neha sleeps and sleeps. The small chirpy birds. The small chirpy birds which come to windowsill every morning find Neha still sleeping. Birds, wake up dear, wake up fast. Narrator. Neha gets up with a start. Neha, oh no, if it's not the alarm clock, it's these birds. Why don't they leave me alone? Narrator. Even this wish of Neha's comes true. The next morning there is no alarm clock. There are no birds either. But there is someone else who does not want her to miss the school bus. Can you guess who it is? The big bright sun. He fills Neha's room with a warm smile.
Okay, very nice. Today everybody has read very nicely, and tomorrow rest. See, I have noted down all the names. Tomorrow these students will not be getting the chance. Tomorrow other students will read. Okay? So everybody will get the chance. Please don't feel bad for this that ma'am hasn't asked me to read. Okay? Tomorrow rest of you will get the chance. Okay, everyone? But everybody has to take care because I can ask anyone to read out, okay? And tomorrow I will not be telling you to read from here because I will be keep changing the chapters. Tomorrow I can take the new chapter also for reading. Okay, everyone? So the time is over already. I have taken your extra time. So see you tomorrow. Till the time, keep practicing reading, okay? Do practice
Okay,
of
ma'am.
fine?
Yes.
Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye everyone. Take care. Stay
Bye,
safe.
ma'am.
Stay home. Okay. Chalo. Bye.
Bye.
Any query? Anybody wants to ask anything?
No,
No?
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Bye.
मुझे म्यूट मत करना। तूने भी अच्छा बना रखा है, मैं इसको रख भी रखी ताकि बार बार खोलना रहे।
Beta, everyone. I want 2 minutes only. Okay? I'm coming in 2 minutes. Okay? Hello, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Vihan, today you're lazy? Smile that you daily have. है ना? Everyone should have smile on their face. Prince Preet को देखो, he is smiling. And the smile brings smile on our faces. है ना? Seeing you people. है ना श्रेयस? Okay. चलो सब स्माइल करेंगे पढ़ते हुए. आरव तो स्पेस में पहुंच जाता है एंड स्पेस में खा रहा होता है. स्पेस में तो लोग कहते उड़ते रहते हैं. आरव वर्चुअल बैकग्राउंड लगा के he started enjoying his virtual background. And Arav, I unmuted you. Speak out. Okay, chalo. So some people have the queries. Lavanya is having query. Today we don't have SSC session. Today we have GK session. So let's enjoy that. Do it fast. हाँ Lavanya, जल्दी पूछो. Yes, बेटा.
इंडिया के मेरे पास क्वेश्चन आंसर्स नहीं है मैम.
बेटा फर्स्ट तो मैंने सेंड नॉर्मल करे थे PDF क्लास ग्रुप में एंड सेकंड वाले एड्यूनेक्स. इट इज देयर ऑन एड्यूनेक्स. यू हैव टू डाउनलोड इट फ्रॉम देयर.
मैम मैंने उसमें देखा था लेकिन उधर नहीं थे.
I have myself attached. How you can say that it is not there? Everyone, anyone has got? Anyone has got? किसी को मिले question answers? The second last 4 question answers of chapter 2 on EduNext. Vihan,
Yes, ma'am.
have you done the last 4 question answers of chapter 2 through EduNext? आपने
Yes, ma'am.
chapter 2 complete कर लिया? Chapter 2 complete करा आपने? You have done the chapter 2. Lavanya, C has got beta. Check it once more. Okay? आज फिर से try करना. I'll tell you the date. कब मैंने attach करे थे. Fine. Or if not, then again I will attach. Don't worry. Don't get. After the chapter 3 completes, एक दिन chapter 3 के tomorrow we'll do first of chapter 3 because there is a homework of SST tomorrow. है ना in schedule. So first we'll do of chapter 3 और मैं उसके साथ ही chapter 2 के attach कर दूंगी दोबारा से. ठीक है? And I'll write in the note chapter 2 PDF is also attached. Kindly check those who have not got. ठीक है?
ओके मैम.
Fine? Okay, beta. Chalo, everyone. Now today there is GK session. It is your first class of GK, and enjoyed very this topic which we have taken today of GK. Krishna. So this topic is very nice. You all have listened to the largest this statue, the highest statue, the largest Gurudwara, है ना? So today's topic is this only. ठीक है? According to the things, the abbreviations like the largest, highest, okay? This is being used. Fine. So I'll share a screen first with you, and we'll start with some will know about our country, some things about our country. Very good. बहुत सबको आता है annotate करना ना, सबको आता है annotate करना. Very nice. और मुझे भी clear करना. Shudhanya is feeling cold. Shudhanya. She's sitting in blanket. Lavanya, any other query also? Then lower down. I'll lower down your hand. Now see, the topic of today's session of GK is largest, longest, highest, tallest or smallest in India. There are some things that are very highest, largest, longest, some are tall, some are small in India. So let's have a view about some things. These are not all, but according to level of class 4th, we have included something. Okay, I know your level is very high, you people are very intelligent, but let's have some limited things today. Fine. Okay, everyone. First, do you know what is dam? सबको पता है dam क्या होता है? Do anybody know what is dam? आपने बड़े बड़े rivers और seas देखे हैं ना, है ना? उसके साइड में there are big walls drawn to control the water of that seas, so that flood should if it is overflowed, the flood should never come. So dams are made for different things, like for controlling the water level, it should not harm the nearby areas. Okay, and also dams help us to produce the electricity, and that electricity is known as hydroelectricity. Okay, so which is the highest dam in India? सबसे highest मतलब highest in the height. ठीक है, सबसे highest dam कौन सा इंडिया में? टिहरी डैम, उत्तराखंड. उत्तराखंड में ये डैम है. टिहरी is a place in the Uttarakhand is एक गढ़वाल है और एक कुमाऊं है. फाइन. एंड दिस टिहरी इज अ प्लेस डैम, टिहरी डैम. ठीक है. Okay, so this is the highest dam in India. Okay, Tihri Dam. Understood everyone? Tihri Dam is the highest dam in India. Now what is waterfall? Have you seen the water falling from the mountains? बहुत waterfall हो रहा होता है mountain से to the highest Kunchikal waterfall in Karnataka. Okay, understood? Arav? See here, Hardik has raised hand. Yes, Hardik?
And we have to make GK notebook.
No, you don't have to make GK notebook. I'll confirm you that you have to make or not GK notebook. Okay, then only you have to make. अभी कोई आपको notebook नहीं बनानी है. I'll send you the PDF. You just learn and keep this PDF safe. ठीक है? Fine, Hardik?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Now the largest port. Port सबको पता है ना, जहाँ पर ship load और unload होती है. Ship से we trade from ship, we travel from ship, है ना? So the port are the places यहाँ पे दोनों. एक तो कार्गो पोर्ट्स होते हैं जहाँ से कार्गो सामान अनलोड लोड होता है. एक पोर्ट्स होते हैं जहाँ से लोग भी जाते हैं for the people who are going through ships to another place. ठीक है, which is the largest port? It is in Mumbai, and you know that Mumbai is a port city. मुंबई में बहुत सारे seas हैं, है ना? बहुत सारे beaches भी हैं. Fine. So it is a port city. So where there is a port, Jawaharlal Nehru Port, and another name is also Nahava Seva Port. This is the largest port in India. Okay. Yes, Aditya. Aditya, what happened? You raised your hand.
मैम वो
Speak in English.
मैम
You want to say something?
यस मैम.
Speak out.
Ma'am, you send this PDF.
Yes, I'll send this PDF. Okay.
Okay.
Now mute yourself. Yes, Prince Preet. Prince Preet. Prince Preet.
मैम गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
Yes, ma'am. Good
Ma'am,
morning, ma'am.
फीवर है आज तो उसे कुछ अच्छा फील नहीं हो रहा तो क्लास लीव कर सकता है वो.
So he can take rest. He can take rest, ma'am.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू.
No problem. Okay. Then highest airport. Airport तो सबको ही पता है where airplanes land, है ना? This is Kushok Bakula Rinpoche Airport in Leh. Leh is the capital of Ladakh. So ये सबसे बड़ा highest airport है Kushok Bakula Rinpoche Airport Leh. Fine. Then largest zoo. Largest zoo कहाँ पर है? It is in Kolkata. This is also known as Zoological Garden, and its another name is also Alipur Zoo. Fine. Understood, Sukirat? Wait, Anna. Yes, Sukirat?
मैम
अगर साइकिल चलाने के लिए नहीं बोला.
मैम nothing, that was when I was in the English class, from then I have raised hand.
Okay, no problem. Yes, Anna. Wait, I'm unmuting. Sukirat, mute yourself, beta.
Okay मैम.
Hanji, speak out.
Ma'am, I have a printer at my home.
You can get it. Yeah, you can get it.
Print the worksheets of GK.
Yeah, sure, you can do that if you have the printer at home. Okay. Mute yourself, beta. Okay. Next is now, again, it was highest dam in India. Now it is longest dam. Highest, जो height में highest था. Longest in the length. ठीक है, it was in the height, highest dam. Now longest, जो लंबा है. Fine. Longest dam is Hirakund Dam over Mahanadi River. तो Hirakund Dam Mahanadi River के ऊपर जो बना हुआ है, that is in Odisha. Fine. Yes, Arav. Welcome back. Arav girl. Welcome back. आवाज नहीं आ रही आरव की. My voice is audible to you, Arav?
No, I'm your voice clear.
Now it's audible? Okay.
Ma'am,
Mhm.
screen painting.
Your screen is?
स्क्रीन पे पेन चला दिया पूरा।
किसने?
मैम मुझे क्या पता, मैम मुझे सारी जगह।
Beta, I have cleared the drawings, but
क्या मैम?
I have cleared the drawings.
नो
See,
मैम,
now it's clear. Now it's clear.
नो
Now,
नो।
wait, I'll again share.
बोल दिया देखो।
Arif, now it's been seen.
नो मैम,
Beta, then there is a problem in your network because everyone is able to see the clear screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Hana?
मैम
That
नो
was
नेटवर्क इज
okay. अच्छा आप सुन लो फिर, आप सुन लो, एक काम करो, आफ्टर व्हेन आई सेंड द पीडीएफ यू कैन सी इन दैट. आप सुन तो सकते हो ना? सुन लो. Okay. Longest dam, that is Hirakund Dam, that is made over Mahanadi River in Odisha. Okay, now largest museum. It is a national museum in Kolkata. ठीक है? So largest museum is, museum सबको पता है ना, in which many things are displayed related to past. Arav, mute yourself बेटा. आपकी आवाज आ रही है क्लास में. Fine. Now, largest forest area state. The state which has largest amount of forest, that is Madhya Pradesh. And it after that, and Arunachal Pradesh and all these all are also covered with forest. Largest forest area state is Madhya Pradesh. Now, largest cantilever span bridge. Now you will know, think that what is cantilever span. Have you seen वो क्रॉस वाले जो बड़े बड़े आयरन के रॉड्स बने होते हैं, कैंटिलीवर देखा है कभी आपने ब्रिज में? क्रॉस करके बड़े बड़े आयरन के रॉड्स बने होते हैं ऐसे करके, है ना? Have you ever seen the Howrah Bridge in the picture? हावड़ा ब्रिज किसी ने पिक्चर में देखा है? No one is. Shresht?
Ma'am, no and never.
No and never. Okay. Shashwat?
Yes.
Wait. Have you ever seen the this kind of bridge जो cross होते हैं और बड़े बड़े iron के rods? Have you ever seen?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'll show you the picture in tomorrow's class. Today I
Ma'am,
have not
I
saved
have
the
not
picture.
gone there.
बेटा कोई जाता नहीं, only in picture I am asking. कोई गया होगा, कोई नहीं गया होगा. हावड़ा ब्रिज किसी ने देखा है?
Yes,
Gaurav?
I've seen photo.
Yes. So that is cantilever span bridge in India. Okay, so that is Ravindra Setu Bridge. You have also studied in class 3.
Yes, sir.
It is the largest
It
bridge
have photo also.
Yes, Rabindra Setu Bridge in Kolkata near the Hooghly River. Okay, किस पे बना है bridge? Hooghly River के ऊपर बना. Okay, mute yourself everyone. Now, largest state in India. अभी हमने SST में पढ़ा था ना? That is Rajasthan.
Rajasthan.
Yes, mute yourself, Gaurish. Okay, so smallest state in India is Goa in terms of area. Now, largest state in terms of population. Population के terms में कौन सी सबसे बड़ी state है? That is Uttar Pradesh, UP. And in terms of population, which is the smallest state in India, that is Sikkim. Okay, till here we will revise once again. Highest dam in India. Dam मैंने बताया ना क्यों बनाए जाते हैं. These are wall-like structure that are made to control the flow of water. ठीक है, and to generate the hydroelectricity. Why I said hydroelectricity? Because the electricity is being generated from water. ठीक है, किससे generate होती है electricity? Water से. ठीक है, so these are, which is the highest dam in India? Tihri Dam. It is in the Garhwal, Arab, and Anna. Please mute yourself, everyone. It's a request to you. हाँ जी.
मैम हमें बुक बनानी है जीके की.
अभी I told you that बेटा अभी आपको कोई notebook नहीं बनानी है till the time I don't tell you. I'll tell you. Fine.
Yeah, ma'am.
Mute yourself, everyone, first of all. Wait. Yes, Devansh.
Ma'am, no query.
You raised your hand, beta. Lower down your hand then. Okay. Highest waterfall. I told you what is waterfall. The water falling from the mountains and it is touching the ground. Then which is the highest waterfall in height? That is Kanchikal waterfall in Karnataka. Okay. तो कौन सा waterfall है? Kanchikal waterfall in Karnataka. And then largest port मैंने आपको बताया जहां से शिप अनलोड और लोड होते हैं. एक तो होता है कार्गो पोर्ट्स होते हैं. Okay, some ports are together, cargo also and for travelers also. ठीक है, so this is the Jawaharlal Nehru Port, or it is also known as Nahava Seva Port in Mumbai. You know that Mumbai is a port city. Hardik. Mumbai एक port city है and where Jawaharlal Nehru is the largest port. Now highest airport, which is the highest airport? That is Kushok Bakula Rinpoche Airport, that is in the capital of Ladakh, that is Leh. Okay. Now largest zoo, that is Zoological Garden in Kolkata. It is also known as Alipur Zoo. Okay. Now longest dam, that was the highest dam. Don't be confused. Highest in the terms of height, longest in terms of length. Fine. That is the longest dam, that is Hirakund Dam. Next is largest museum, that is National Museum in Kolkata. Fine. उसके बाद, which is the state that have largest forest area? That is Madhya Pradesh. Under, आप सुन लो बेटा, मैं PDF भेजूंगी. Fine. Then, which is the largest bridge? Especially, it is largest bridge also. Wait, Arnab. And it is largest cantilever span bridge. Cantilever span, that is made of rods, and it is एक corner पे सिर्फ एक ही चीज से stick हो रहा होता है. Fine. एक ही चीज से hold हो रखा होता है ये bridge. Fine. That is Rabindra Setu Bridge in Kolkata. Fine. Okay. इसको पहले हावड़ा ब्रिज बोलते थे. Now its name has been changed. Rabindra Setu Bridge. पहले इसको हावड़ा ब्रिज बोलते थे and it is over the Hooghly River. Fine. And after that, which is the largest state? अभी हमने last chapter में ही पढ़ा था in terms of area, that is Rajasthan, and the smallest state is Goa. Okay. Now largest state in terms of population. कौन सी स्टेट में सबसे ज्यादा पॉपुलेशन है? उत्तर प्रदेश में। और कौन सी स्टेट में सबसे कम पॉपुलेशन है? सिक्किम में। फाइन। नाउ आफ्टर दैट हाईएस्ट गेटवे। फाइन। कौन सा हाईएस्ट गेटवे है? जैसे गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया ये सब बना हुआ है ना। फाइन। सो विच इज द हाईएस्ट गेटवे? That is Buland Darwaza, and it is also one of the historical monument. It is counted in one of the historical monument during Mughal period. Mughal period में बना था Buland Darwaza, and you know that Fatehpur Sikri was a city created by one of the Mughal emperor Akbar in Agra. इन्होंने ये city establish करी थी Fatehpur Sikri, and near this Fatehpur Sikri is a pilgrimage center also in Agra. ये pilgrimage center भी है, ठीक है, मजार है, वहीं पर ये बुलंद दरवाजा एक गेटवे बना हुआ है, and it is the highest gateway in the terms of height. Fine. Now largest salt water lake, ठीक है, लार्जेस्ट सॉल्ट वाटर, जहां पे आपको सलीन वाटर मिलता है, ठीक है, नमकीन पानी कौन सी लेक में है? दैट इज चिलिका लेक इन उड़ीसा. फाइन. चिलिका लेक इन उड़ीसा. अब हाईएस्ट सिविलियन अवार्ड. This award is given to the renowned people who have done something great country. जिन्होंने कुछ एक्सट्रीम करा होता है हमारी कंट्री के लिए, they get this award, Bharat Ratna Award. Fine. Okay, something very great they have done in our country. They get this highest civilian award, that is Bharat Ratna. Now everyone knows largest Gurdwara, that is Golden Temple in Amritsar. And can anybody tell me who made the Golden Temple? Can anybody tell me who made the Golden Temple? Sukirat, do you know? You Punjabi? And where it is located? Okay, I'll tell you. Golden Temple was made by the 10th Guru of Sikhism, that is Guru Ram Das Ji. Fine. 10th Guru ने complete करा था. Okay, and it is in Amritsar, and it is the famous pilgrimage center of Punjabi Sikhs. है ना, पंजाब में अमृतसर में, ठीक है, गोल्डन टेम्पल है, that is famous for its tourists also. Many people, not only Punjabis, I went and I have seen this. Not only Punjabis go to Golden Temple. अब सुकीरत की डांट पड़ेगी. Continuously talking with whom? With whom you are talking? सुकीरत, वेट आना, एक मिनट बेटा, किससे बात कर रहे हो बेटा? कंटिन्यूअसली. Very bad Sukirat, this is not done. अभी मैं क्लास के बाद मम्मा को कॉल करती हूँ. आई एम कॉलिंग योर मदर. And without permission you are roaming also. I'm talking to you, Vendor. After class I'll talk to your mother. करो, आप कैमरा भी बंद करो बेटा. I'll talk to your mother. Wait. Yes, Sahana. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I have also went to the Golden Temple.
And have you seen there are many people, not only Punjabis, but people from different countries also come there. देखा आपने? Okay, very.
There is very crowd. There are very
Yeah,
crowd.
yeah, it is very crowded and it is very and the holy river that is made naturally. वो man made नहीं है, वो natural है. Fine. Guru Nanak Dev Ji, it is being said there is a story behind that Guru Nanak Dev Ji with his powerful rays he generated that holy river in which this and this temple is made of whole gold. वो gold से बना हुआ है पूरा. That is why it is. और हिंदी में स्वर्ण मंदिर बोलते हैं. ठीक है? And this was completed by Guru Ram Das Ji, the 10th Guru of Sikh. Okay. So next is longest beach. Longest beach कौन सा है? That also we have read in last chapter, in last class, sorry. Marina Beach in Chennai. And you know, this beach is very crowded beach. On the weekly basis, more than 30,000 people go there. And on weekends, yesterday only I read that there are 50,000 people on the weekends that you can see on this beach. So, this is the longest beach, Marina Beach in Chennai. Wait, Devansh has raised hand. He is lower down. Okay. Now, longest river bridge. अभी हमने कौन सा पढ़ा था? कौन सा bridge पढ़ा था हमने? Where is it? Yes, largest we have. Now, longest river bridge. That is Mahatma Gandhi Setu Bridge. That is largest. And that is largest Antavilla bridge. And this longest river bridge. So, bridge that is covering part of the river, that is महात्मा गांधी सेतु ब्रिज इन पटना, बिहार में है. फाइन. ओके. नाउ लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर, सबसे बड़ी रिवर कौन सी है? गंगा. आई थिंक सो दिस एवरीवन नोज. गंगा इज द लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर इन इंडिया. Okay, then longest tunnel. What is tunnel? Can anybody tell me? Tunnel क्या होता है? क्या कोई बता सकता है tunnel क्या होता है? What is tunnel? कोई बता सकता है what is tunnel? Siddhant? Can you tell me what is tunnel?
Ma'am, it is a cave. Ma'am,
It is kind of a cave. You can say it is a kind of cave. Shresh knows. Okay, Shresh.
There is
Rudra.
Ma'am, it is also a cave where trains goes.
हाँ, Shresh.
Ma'am, it is also a cave where the trains goes.
Praise. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am,
Very nice.
long underground go train there were.
Okay. Siddhant, now you speak. Okay, Rudransh, I have listened your answer. Okay.
Ma'am, many
बताओ.
years ago there was old people live.
Okay, there was the people of old era lived there. You want to say that?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, tunnel is a you can say passage through or under something, usually underground. ये ज्यादातर underground होता है और हिंदी में इसे हम सुरंग भी बोलते हैं. ठीक है. पहले लोग सुरंग बनाते थे बड़ी बड़ी for hiding themselves, है ना, for living. Okay. So now these pathways, these are used for the pathways for trains, buses and other transport. इन्हें हम सुरंग बोलते हैं, है ना? देखा आपने कभी? Have you ever seen? Okay. So longest tunnel, सबसे बड़ा tunnel कौन सा है? That is Jawahar Tunnel in Jammu and Kashmir. And as you know that Jammu and Kashmir is a hilly area. So there is a tunnel, longest tunnel, that is Jawahar Tunnel in Jammu and Kashmir. Longest national highway. Now what is highway?
Ma'am, where the car. Ma'am, where the car.
Mute yourself. First of all, mute yourself, everyone. Those who are unmuted, then वो अपने आप को mute करो. Alicia will tell me what are highways. Alicia, you know what are highways? Sunny, you know? No? Okay, I am not saying anything because you have not studied. That's why. Highway आप लोगों को पता नहीं है. अभी highway class 4th में पढ़ोगे. Chaitanya, you know what are highways? But it's general trees. Chaitanya, you know what are highways? Okay, mute yourself. Rehan knows. What are highways?
Ma'am,
Very general. Rehan, बहुत general. ध्रुव को पता है? Yes, Dhruv?
Ma'am, general roads.
No, highways are the roads which connect different states, countries, capitals. ठीक है, उन्हें बोलते हैं. Fine, highways. अब आप घर के बाहर निकलोगे, है ना? जो main road आ जाती है ना? That are connecting different cities, ना? That is connecting different cities. That is a highway. Fine. So one is national highway. Okay, another is international highways. ठीक है, दो टाइप के हाईवेज होते हैं. नेशनल हाईवेज दैट इज कनेक्टिंग डिफरेंट सिटीज, स्टेट्स. ओके, इंटरनेशनल हाईवेज दैट इज कनेक्टिंग डिफरेंट कंट्रीज. ओके, सो लॉन्गेस्ट नेशनल हाईवे इज NH7, दैट इज वाराणसी टू कन्याकुमारी. फाइन, वाराणसी से कन्याकुमारी तक है ये हाईवे, एंड दिस हाईवे नेम इज NH7. So today we did till 22. I hope you will study all. Listen it very properly. Study all the longest, largest, and you will. If I'll ask in next GK class, you'll be able to answer. There are 30 that has been given in this. Rest are very easy. I'll tell you one last one, that is tallest statue. That is Statue of Unity. It is recently made 1 or 2 years before, and the statue is of Vallabhbhai Patel in Gujarat. क्या बोल रहे हो बेटा? Statue is Statue of Unity. Made of Vallabhbhai Patel. Beta, mute yourself. Through everyone. Yes, Bihan.
Ma'am, I visited the Statue of Unity.
Okay, and this is of Vallabhbhai Patel. Yes, Ahana. Anna, do you want to say something, beta? Anna को कुछ बोलना है? Everyone enjoyed the class? You didn't enjoy the class, Anna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Ma'am, if we have printer, we print the sheet.
Yes, those who have printer at home, they can print the sheet.
and you will send the homework.
I'll send this PDF to you. You can study from this. Okay?
Ma'am, through WhatsApp or BIS app.
Yes, I will WhatsApp. Through EduNext app, that is BIS app. Okay? Okay, everyone. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
First, तू लेते हो?
Bye, ma'am.
समझ आ गया कर्ष को?
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta. Bye.
Bye, bye, ma'am.
Bye, Bittu. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye, ma'am.
Bye, everyone. Bye. Bye, my little kids.
Bye bye,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye,
Bye, beta. Bye. Bye. Take care. Enjoy.
Okay, ma'am.
His smile is very. Bye, beta. अभी को समझ आ गया? Give me a thumbs up, अभी. अभी ने आज enjoy नहीं कर रहा क्लास? आज अभी ने कुछ नहीं बोला क्योंकि. Okay. Bye. Bye.